shit. Motherfucking mosquitoes, man. God damn. What's up, y'all? Welcome back to the channel. Got another one today. As you remember me saying, I got those Tailight Tint for the racetrack. The vinyl tint for Amazon. I'm trying these out. And then I got the other one for the actual taillight part to black it out. Just like get that open. Bought these from Amazon. Hopefully the sellers still have some left over. If they can actually come out pretty good, but this all will come with. You get a little thank you card from them. They give you a little squeegee, give you a little microfiber tile. They'll give you a little box cutter. So this is everything here. Try to make sure nothing has a dent or crease or anything in it. But this is everything it looks like. That's for the third brake light right there. It's for the two sides. In the middle, I do see a little bit of crease right there in it. I mean, it's cheap. I mean, everybody say go with the Lux. Go with the Lux brand, so I just went with a little off brand just to try things out. So I'm gonna go ahead and install these. I'll open this one up later once I'm done. I don't want it to blow away. I'm gonna drop that in that bag right there. But it's vinyl layout kit for that right there. So yeah, so let's go ahead and install it and see what it look like. Oh, gotta give y'all before look of the racetrack of the lights and stuff. All right, got before look. All right, go ahead and get it started and y'all on time lapse and we're gonna get it in. All right, y'all, here we go. We got the tint installed. Everything looks good right here, as you can see. So far, so good. Looks really, really, really good. I get them with the tint kit. I get them a 9 out of 10. Only reason because that part right there, it's a little difficult trying to get the edges. That might be me, but I mean, hey, still 9 out of 10. Looks really, really good. So yeah, that's pretty much it for the tail light. I mean, the inner part. So after that, we're gonna put this other kit in. And the name of the company is, this the card they gave. If I can focus it in. All right, name of the company is Bogart Text Designs. Here's the QR code. I mean, if you want to scan it, this all the social media right there. Like I said, this is not a sponsorship or anything, but like, I like going on Amazon and getting products and stuff for people from companies, you know, just giving other people chances, because I mean their product is really, really good. Honestly, I'm not gonna lie. Look, the cuts was perfect. I like that they gave you extra on the edges and stuff like that, so that was a plus. And yeah, overall, I like it. Yeah, so let's gonna move on to the next part. All right, next up we got this. Or however it's gonna be. Oh, they actually sent me both. Oh, there we go. There's one piece. I got plenty to actually make a design out of it. That's freaking awesome. So it's another piece that fell on the ground over here somewhere. Oh no. So that's the actual centerpiece. But it says it pretty much here. Instructions on the back right here. So they give you 2 designs to choose from. What's the name of the company? I don't know how to go on Amazon. Leave the link for both, all of this, but trying to decide which with the Dodge symbol, pretty much like that across the middle. So go ahead and set the camera up for time lapse and everything. Figure this out and get it put on. All right, so I got everything together. I had to come back, piece this piece together because I couldn't figure out last night, and I ended up damaging one of the pieces, so I had to piece it back together. It is what it is. It still came out the way I wanted it to come, so I did that side. You'll see what I mean about the other side. Now it's time to get rid of these Dodge badges. But yeah, so it should have been looking like this, but it's okay. It's all right. I mean, piece together. I mean, this, honestly, this is time consuming. It's very time consuming, but it'll be worth it in the end, especially when you cut the lights on at night. So like when you cut the lights on at night, it'll be good. But we're about to get rid of these Dodge badge symbols here. And I'm still debating if I want to debadge the Durango and just leave the RT. I don't know yet, but it does look cleaner without it. I'm probably just gonna leave. Man, you know what? I might end up doing it with the logo, and we're gonna use a good old small flathead screwdriver. Ain't doing the rest of that heat gun and all that stuff today. So we're gonna get a little small flat screwdriver in here. Take it off. Go inside and clean out the residue that's left over. The reason why I call this my handy dandy flathead screwdriver, because I already got this one bent. I don't know if you can see it in the camera, but it's bent a little bit. That way you can just go ahead, take this off. Just get behind there, pry it up the best you can, and not break nothing or scratch anything up. They do got little kits and stuff. You can use a heat gun and all that, but this CountryBoyModz, this is how we do it this way. So y'all already know. If you're new to the channel, I don't use the proper tools all the time, so just letting y'all know in advance. All right, so go to the inside. Or I might be able to find a piece on the edge on the outside. Might be better to go to the inside here. Yeah, I found a spot. Just slowly take it off. And it'll come right out. You wouldn't have that much to clean up. Like I said, it's already engraved in here, so no point of blacking out the emblems and stuff like that. Back it up and look at it. That looks so much better. Oh my God, it looks so much better. Out there, the other part. So I'm gonna put y'all back on time lapse for it. See what it look during the daytime. Daytime, it look like on the side. I like that kit, man. Like I said, I get that kit. What? 9 out of maybe a 9 out of 10. Also, give it a 9 out of 10. So yeah, got the lights. But later on down the road, I might go get an LED from Walmart. Open this racetrack tail light up, wire it in, bring this back. But like, man, it looks so good like it is though. All right, y'all, now I got the back window, got the back done. So I'm gonna go ahead and try to get the front windows tinted real quick and get it going. Hopefully we can get it done. Hopefully it matches up with the back real good. So the tint I got was I just went with cheap tint. I ain't looking for no ceramic, none of that right now. I just wanted to put some tint in the window, so I went to Walmart, got the Black Magic tint. Now I'm gonna tell y'all this. I tinted this Central 7 years ago with this same tint right here. And it's still lasting. It's still lasting. That being said, I'm gonna go ahead and put it in the Durango. with y'all. We got the tint in, everything looking good. As far as the tint, tail lights looking good. I decided not even worry about that little piece right there. That's gonna give it its character. So I did debadge it. I debadged the Dodge right there. Also debadged the Durango all-wheel drive right there. I left the RT, tinted the tail lights. That's what we're looking like. As you can see, we're gonna leave that tail light like it is and give it character. But like I said, what we got. Like I said, it's not a perfect job. I ain't tinted a window in like 7 years, man. It's been a minute since I tinted. But like I said, the truck need to get a good wash. Everything. Down the road, probably gonna upgrade the bottom lights to last fit. Top lights are HIDs. I get the bottom last fit LED. For now, until the HIDs go out, I rock the HID for a little minute. But yeah, that's pretty much it. Glad y'all enjoyed the video. I'll see y'all on another one. Peace out.